A mix of weather conditions across South Africa this Tuesday, with a cold front bringing in much cooler conditions, strong winds, a few light showers and high seas for the coastal regions of the Western Cape. Gusting winds likely in the Northern Cape and the Free State, severe thunderstorms in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with heatwave conditions baking the rest of KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld. So here's your forecast. Tuesday, we've got this cold front coupled with an upper level trough that's going to bring stormy conditions at times for parts of the Free State, Eastern Cape and moving into KwaZulu-Natal, with a secondary front resulting in much cooler conditions and bringing in this onshore flow of cloud as well as strong winds for the coastal regions. A few light showers also likely here and there over the coastal regions of the Northern Cape, the West Coast District, the Western Cape, most of the rain falling over the mountain regions in the Western Cape. A few light showers also likely over the southern coastline and the adjacent interior, with isolated showers and thunderstorms later moving over northwest in the Free State, becoming scattered over Lesotho, the Eastern Cape Wild Coast, as well as the western parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Behind that secondary front, we're expecting a strong westerly wind to pick up along the southern coastline, and also fresh winds blowing over the interior of South Africa, gusting at times in the Free State and Northern Cape, where we've got that warning in place. A poor PV harvest where it's cloudy on Tuesday in the shades of blue over the Cape provinces, but lots of sunshine and peak performance over large parts of South Africa, where it's going to be sunny. But that cold front and onshore flow bring in lots of cloud and yet again cool weather for the Western Cape, with a few light showers here and there. Most of the rain, as mentioned, falling over the mountain regions, with that westerly wind blowing strong at times along the southern coastline. It is going to be a windy and mostly cloudy day, with also a few isolated showers on and off. And then with that upper level trough and cold front, we're expecting thunderstorms to move over the northern and eastern regions of the Eastern Cape. A few of those storms could become severe, produce large amounts of small hail or gusting winds, with also this onshore flow helping with an area of convergence and bringing thunderstorms for parts of the Wild Coast later. Winds also turning southwesterly for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with thunderstorms moving in from the northwest and extremely hot on a Tuesday in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga during heatwave conditions, with the mercury soaring close to 40 degrees. Heatwave conditions also baking the Kruger National Park, temperatures in the upper 30s. It is going to be hot and uncomfortable, so please drink enough fluids, with later thunderstorms, very late thunderstorms moving over parts of the bushveld, quickly becoming hot in northwest, the wind also gusting ahead of isolated storms expected to bubble up from the afternoon. In the Northern Cape, a southerly breeze picking up along the coast, winds turning mainly westerly and also fresh over the interior of the Northern Cape, gusting in parts of the Karoo. The Weather Service warning against damages as well as a high fire danger in place. The wind also picking up after a hotter day, with isolated storms expected in the Free State, becoming scattered over Lesotho and southern and surrounding regions. Temperatures above 13 Gauteng on Tuesday, with a slight chance of a few thunderstorms bubbling up. Most of the storms expected to be over the bordering areas of northwest and Gauteng. Into Wednesday, the stormy conditions spreading eastwards, now also over Gauteng, the Free State and parts of Mpumalanga, and that onshore flow still bringing in light showers for the coastal regions. Most of the stormy weather clearing on a Thursday, but an onshore flow will bring in much cooler conditions for KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo, and also a few degrees cooler in Gauteng. Well, that's all from me, and remember, to the weather, we're in this together.